The most popular ravioli maker isn't always the best. That's just how it goes. You see the same shiny photos, same promises of perfect pasta, but when it arrives, it either doesn't seal or takes forever to clean. Turns out, the real difference is in the details most people never talk about.
Product number 1, Tacgia 4-in-1 Ravioli Stamp. Let's start with the Tacgia Ravioli Stamp Maker, a budget-friendly set of 4 cutters with a wooden handle and fluted aluminum edges. At under $10, it's one of the cheapest options out there, and honestly, that shows. But if you want quick, simple ravioli shapes without spending much, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It comes with round, square, heart-shaped cutters and a roller wheel, so you're not locked into one style. The fluted edge helps create a clean seal, which means less filling leaking out during cooking. It's lightweight and easy to press down, even for kids or beginners. Over 1,000 people bought it last month, and while there are no reviews yet, the design is solid for basic home use. Now, some people might complain about the aluminum feeling flimsy, and they're not wrong. It's not heavy duty, and if you press too hard, it can bend. Here's the thing though, for occasional use, like making ravioli once a month, it's more than enough. Just don't expect it to last a decade. This is perfect for you if you're a casual cook who wants variety and shape without investing in a machine. Skip this one if you're making large batches regularly or want restaurant-level durability. For under $10, it's a fun, low-risk try. Product number 2, Mercato Atlas 150 Pasta Machine. That was a simple stamp, but if you're serious about pasta, the Mercato Atlas 150 is in a different league. Made in Italy, this chrome steel machine costs around $96. And yeah, it's pricey. But if you want consistent, professional quality dough sheets for perfect ravioli, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's not just a ravioli tool, it's a full pasta machine. You can roll dough to 9 different thicknesses, which means you control how thin your ravioli skins are. Thin enough to be delicate, thick enough to hold rich fillings like lobster or cheese. The hand crank is smooth, and the clamp fits most counter edges. It's built like a tank, 2.6 kilograms of solid steel, and used by home cooks and chefs alike. Now, some people complained about the learning curve, and they're right. It takes practice to get the dough even and not tear it. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you'll never go back. Plus, it makes fettuccine and lasagna too, so it's not just for ravioli. This is perfect for you if you cook often, love homemade pasta, and want one tool that does it all. Skip this one if you only make ravioli once in a while or hate manual labor. For the long-term pasta lover, it's a worthy investment.
Product number 3, Bell-Maine Ravioli Press Mold. If the Mercato feels like overkill, the Bell-Maine Ravioli Press might be your sweet spot. At $19.99, it's a mold that makes 12 uniform 1.5-inch ravioli at once, no rolling pin needed. If you want speed and consistency without the fuss, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The metal frame cuts and seals simultaneously. You place dough over the mold, add filling, cover with another layer, press down, and boom, 12 perfect ravioli. No egg wash, no pinching, no leaks. The plastic base is non-stick and it's hand washable. Over 400 sold last month, and the design is clearly loved for its simplicity. Now, some people said the plastic feels cheap, and it does. It's not going to survive a drop-on tile. Here's the thing though, as long as you handle it gently, it works exactly as promised. It's not built for commercial kitchens, but for home use, totally fine. This is perfect for you if you want restaurant-style ravioli fast, especially for family dinners or parties. Skip this one if you prefer handmade, rustic shapes or need to make huge batches. For under $20, it's a game changer for weeknight pasta.
Product number 4, Mumsung Ravioli Press Set. That Bell-Maine was solid, but the Mumsung set adds more tools for the same $19.99 price. You get a ravioli press, empanada maker, wheel cutter, wooden rolling pin, and even a cleaning brush. If you want versatility in one kit, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The dual-sided press lets you make 8 larger ravioli, 1.85 inches, and the empanada mold is a bonus for dumplings or pot stickers. The BPA-free plastic is food-safe and drop-resistant, and the fluted wheel helps cut dough cleanly. It's great for families. Kids can help press and roll. The included brush makes cleanup faster, which is a small but real win. Now, some people said the plastic mold can warp if left in hot water, and that's true. Don't soak it too long. Here's the thing though, just rinse it quick and air dry and it'll last years. It's not metal, but it's not fragile either. This is perfect for you if you like variety. Ravioli one night, empanadas the next. Skip this one if you only care about one type of dumpling. For the price, it's one of the most complete kits out there.
Product number 5, MHH Russian Pelmeni Mold. The MHH Russian Pelmeni Mold, a flat aluminum tray that makes 37 tiny dumplings at once. At $14.99, it's built for volume. If you love Siberian-style pelmeni or want to freeze batches for later, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's not for delicate Italian ravioli. It's for hearty, meat-filled dumplings. The aluminum is lightweight but sturdy, and the flat back makes washing easy. You lay dough over the mold, drop filling into each cavity, cover with another sheet, and press. In under 10 minutes, you've got 37 ready to boil or freeze. Perfect for meal prep or big families. Now, some people said the edges don't seal perfectly, and that's fair. It's not as tight as a hand-rolled dumpling. Here's the thing though, for speed and quantity, it's unbeatable. Just make sure your dough is moist enough to stick. This is perfect for you if you cook in bulk or love Eastern European cuisine. Skip this one if you want elegant restaurant-style ravioli. For fast, no-fuss dumplings, it's a hidden gem.
So which one's best? The Tacgia stamp is great for shapes on a budget. The Marcato is for serious pasta lovers. The Bellmain and Mumsung presses are perfect for fast, consistent ravioli at home. And the MHH mold wins for volume and freezing. Pick based on how often you cook and what kind of pasta you love, not just what's popular.